Today's video from Casio Help, we're looking at how you can remove the grand total from the daily Z report on the SE-S3000 model. It'll also work on quite a few other models as shown on the title of this video, but in this demo we're using the UK SE-S3000. The reason why you might want to do this is when you take your daily report, you've got a lot of different totals on there. So this one, we've got our total for the day is £100. We've got £100 gross net, and also for the cash in draw, so we've only taken one method of payment. But then further down we've got a grand total, or a GT, of 89,000. This can cause people a bit of confusion when cashing up. So if you just want to see the daily amounts that you've taken on your daily Z report, you can remove the GT. The GT will still run in the background, so it doesn't go away or anything, it's still accessible, but it just minimises the confusion when you're doing your daily Z. So to set this up, you turn the key round to PGM, and then you arrow down to System Setting, press Cash Amount 10 to go into it, and then you press number 3 followed by Subtotal, and then type in the following code, which is 1622 Subtotal, and then 1111 Cash Subtotal. Turn the key back to Reg, and the next time you do your daily Z report, the GT won't be on there. As I said before, it's still running, it's still in the machine, but it just doesn't display on your daily report. There's another video showing you how to reactivate the GT so you can put it back on your reports. The link to that video should be appearing now, as should the subscribe to our channel button. If you need any more assistance on using Casio cash registers, you can always check out the website casiohelp.co.uk. Thanks for watching.